welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be showing you how to style your locks. I took my time to learn different ways of styling my locks for different events, different times of the day, and different moods. Like sometimes I express my mood through my locks. So the only way I can express my mood through my locks is through the way I style the locks themselves. I have some things here with me today. I have my hairspray. So this is a colored hairspray. It's temporarily a color hairspray for your locks. I don't use permanent hairsprays. I always try to use something that could be as temporal as possible. If it could last for like 1 day, 2 days, better for your locks, because anything that would last really long would definitely damage your locks. So I use this hairspray. You can get it from other companies too. The other brands that have this kind of hairspray, but this is the one I use. Also, if I want my hair to shine, I want to have it all glossy and classy. Yeah, I would just use my rosemary oil to just give it that shine, freshness, and wonderful scent. And this is my styling clay. But this is not the best of the product. I will tell you, it's not the best of the product. I'm yet to find a product that's going to really work for my hair in terms of styling my frontals. So sometimes I walk around this, and I always use my spray bottle, which contains, most of the time it contains, it could contain rosemary oil diluted. It could contain coconut oil diluted. It could also contain lemongrass oil diluted. So it's always a dilute of something. Also, sometimes I would just put my setting lotion in this, and yeah, my spray bottle is always effective because I always need it for one thing or the other. So I've got my Sisterlocks applicator. So this is my measurement bottle because it has the measurements on the bottle itself. So I try to use this when I want to take measurements of any of the essential oils I'm going to be using to style my hair. So for instance, if I want to use my rosemary oil, I would have to use my measurement bottle to measure the quantity of the rosemary oil against the quantity of water or the quantity of lemongrass or the quantity of any other thing I want to add to my rosemary oil, because sometimes I add my rosemary oil to my shampoos. So what I do is I add the shampoo to this measurement bottle and I include the rosemary oil with it. So yes, these are the things I use when I want to style my locks. Also, I use bobby pins. If you have locks, you would always need the bobby pins. I use bobby pins because they help me to arrange my locks and put them in a good position. And I always love this fanciful stuff that I use to clip my locks. I just use this stuff to clip the locks and then make them have a beautiful color, because yeah, we always love color. We always love to look fanciful. So these are just fanciful clips I use for my locks. Also, I always have my tiny rollers because I love to roll my locks a lot. So anytime I choose to roll my locks, I would always use this for rolling. Always and always I use this for rolling. So these always come in handy when I choose to roll the locks. So I hope you learned a lot today. Well, I'll see you in my next video. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take good care of yourself until we meet again in the next video.